Good morning, class. This is your practical period, so we are going to discuss a program related to the scanner class. First of all, click on start button and open BlueJ. Now go to new class and write here your class name. Suppose we are going to do the swapping program. Here we write class name as swap. Then click on OK. So here is the folder of swap. So you right click on this folder and click on open editor. After clicking on open editor, here is a sample program. Here is the source window open and here is a sample program is given. So you select this program, Control A and delete it. Okay. Now after this, I am going to write a program we are using to import package, means scanner class. So we have to import the package related to the scanner class. Import java dot util package is responsible for using scanner class. Util dot scanner semicolon. Okay. After this, start the class. Class name is swap. Then start the block of class. After this, creating method. Public static void main. After creating the main method, within parentheses, string args. You can change the name of variable. A string, I am writing here variable arg, not args. Okay. After this, we need to enter two numbers from the user. After creating the method, I am creating the object of the scanner class. So how we create the object? Scanner, then object name sc is equals to new scanner. System.in. It's a object creation of the scanner class. After creating the object, we write a message system dot out dot println. Within double quotes, I am going to write the message enter any two numbers. Okay. After this, we have to take to input int type. Int a is equals to. Now we are going to take input from the user. So we use the object of the scanner class, that is sc. Okay. Sc dot next int. It's a function of scanner class to take input. Okay. Same here, int b is equals to sc dot next int function. So here we take two input from the user. Now we want one more variable to store the value for the swapping, int c. Now do the swapping, means first of all we write c is equals to a values stored in c. Then a is equals to B. So B value is stored in A. After this, B is equals to C. So C value now stored in B. It's a simple swapping method. Before the entering element, after the entering element, you just display the previous value. Then you can easily understood the what is the value before the swapping and what is the value after the swapping. So here you display the value of A and B. System.out.println, we write here before swapping message, before swapping. Plus sign is used to join the more than one statement in a single line. Take some space. Before the swapping, here write message A value copy this and same message here before swapping B value is plus B. Okay, after this semicolon. Now we copy this statement because after this we have to print this statement. Copy this and paste here. Before you change the in place of before you write here after. After swapping A value, after swapping B value. Okay, now after this close the method and close the class. Okay, now compile your program. Click on compile button. See at the last here is written no syntax class compiled, no syntax error, means your program is correct. Now click on close button and right click on your project class folder, means click on void main. Okay, when you click on void main, click on, after this click on OK. See here, it's a terminal window. Okay, in terminal window it's written enter any number, enter any number. So you enter any two numbers. Suppose I am written here 45 and 99. So before the swapping value is 45 and 99. A value is 45 and B value is 99. But after the swapping, A value is 99 and B value is 45. Clear? It's a simple using scanner class. You can do this program by using assignment method also. Only there are some changes. Here only some changes. You start your program and By taking input from the user, you just write here. First of all, we write these elements as a comment. You know comment? Comment means this part is inactive. It's not read by the compiler. Okay. See, now assignment method means here we write 28 and a value is 78. Okay. It's the assignment method means we simply assign the value of a and b. No need of import method, so you also comment it. See, it's an inactive part means compiler not read these lines. Okay. Now it's an assignment method. We simply assign the value a value and b value. Now click on compile. Some students are confused in assignment method. And after this, right click on void main, click on OK. So we doesn't need to enter any value. It perform the given value. The program perform the calculation of the given value, that is 78 and 28. After this, a value is 28 and b value is 78 after the swapping. Okay, I hope this program is clear.